Hey there, so quick overview how to install JPAY app on iPhone. So you just search for JPAY and here you just have that in finance category and you can just install it and that's basically the idea. It's constantly in the top charts in finance category, but it's like has super poor rating. It's like it has 12,000 ratings, but um, yeah, that's what it is. It's just also the idea is very like decent. Like you can support your incarcerated individuals. GPay allows you to quickly send money to a trust account, send and receive emails, photos, e-cards, and videograms. Purchase a tablet for a contact and fund their media account. So maybe that's the reason because the design is very simplified, very minimalistic. It does the job. However, yes, there are some bugs and glitches out of the way. So yeah, here is the app. You can just open an account. You can allow notifications, and then yeah, you can just create new account. Select contacts location, and then you can just select the ID, and then just tap search, and then you can get started and proceed with your details. uh, you can create an account with email and password. um, Yeah, so you can create that account. It's not possible to create an account with Apple ID, Google, or Facebook, whatever. So it's like that. And then you just proceed with what you can do here. So you can send money, purchase stamps, send and receive emails, get new email notifications, send emails, prepare for an email reply, attach send photos, send just a photo with snap and send a 30-second videogram, set up low stamp balance reminder, purchase tablet for your contact, fund media account, add edit payment options and option to save cards for future, manage your profile. So yeah, that's basically what you can do here. Um, Here you just see that how it looks like. You can set up also recurring money transfers. You can change your payment methods. Um, and that's just a quick preview.